Cibt, a state-of-the-art integrated public and independent coal terminal to service the coal industry internationally and locally. PT Cigading International Bulk Terminal, or Cibt, is the owner and operator of the coal terminal located at the port of Cigading, Indonesia. The port of Cigading is strategically located in the Sunda Straits, Banten. This naturally deep-sea port is located in an international shipping route that allows easy access to global markets. The coal terminal has a 300-meter barge unloading wharf capable of mooring up to two 12,000 deadweight ton barges. The barges are discharged by two Liebherr cranes with a combined unloading rate of 1,200 to 2,400 metric ton per hour. The open stockyard has 5 stockpiles each with a capacity of 150,000 metric ton. The ship-loading wharf is capable of berthing bulk carriers ranging from 40,000 deadweight ton Handy to 70,000 deadweight ton Panamax up to Cape-size vessel of 120,000 deadweight ton, which are loaded with a ship loader from ThyssenKrupp, which can load at a rate of 2,000 to 3,000 metric ton per hour. In addition, to fully integrate the facility, conveyor systems, stackers, reclaimers are installed with quality control and safety equipment such as water spray dust suppressor, metal detector and extractor, belt scales, auto sampler and firefighting system, which will all be monitored by a programmable logic control or PLC system, 24 hours, 365 days a year. Let us look into how the terminal operates. Barge unloading wharf. Coal is delivered by barges from mines generally within 300 nautical miles from the port location. In the first stage, the 300-meter long barge unloading wharf has 2 unloading cranes fitted with grabs. The approach is dredged to a depth of 7 meters to cater for bigger barges. Barge unloading of coal. Coal is discharged from the barges by unloading cranes fitted with grabs suitable for surrounding work area. Coal is then unloaded into hoppers. Each crane is used to discharge coal into 2 hoppers placed on either side. The hoppers, which have a minimum live storage capacity of 100 tons each, will transfer the coal through a feeder to a wharf conveyor. Wharf conveyor. The wharf conveyor will feed the incoming coal to a transfer tower. Then the coal will be fed to the incoming conveyor to the next transfer tower. From there, the coal is transferred to a stacking conveyor located over the stockpiles. A travelling tipper fitted with a cross conveyor will then discharge the coal over the length of the stockpile area at selected locations. The stockyard. The stockyard is designed for throughput capacities of up to 8 million tons per annum and is capable of storing 600,000 tons of coal at any one time. Operationally, the stockyard is divided into 5 stockpiles so that the coal from different sources can be stored separately. Each stack of coal may remain in the stockyard for a specified period. The reclaiming process. The coal will be reclaimed using large push bulldozers, which feed the coal into a reclaim feeder, which then transfers the coal into the outgoing conveyor. Each stockpile has 2 sets of reclaimers. Conveyor systems to the ship loader. The outgoing conveyor will transfer the coal to the jetty conveyor. The jetty conveyor then feeds the coal to the ship loading conveyor. The ship loading. The ship loader is designed to load coal onto vessels ranging from 2,000 to 3,000 metric ton per hour. Plant facility capable to feed 70,000 deadweight ton Panamax class within 30 hours. The jetty is also capable of loading Cape-sized vessels of 120,000 deadweight ton with a draft of 16 meters below minimum sea level. Cargo stockpiling and loading by conveyor belts at Cibt coal terminal will result in an efficient and economic operation, resulting in lower ocean freight rates and reduced risk of demurrage, which is one of the most significant factors affecting margins. As coal terminals in Indonesia are not yet sufficient to cope with the world coal export, Cibt's presence will complement the logistic demand. Cibt, a state-of-the-art international bulk terminal.